Well, I thought I'd show you a top view. I filled this up. It's sterling silver from candlesticks that I have heated and cleaned up. And there's my little favorite anode bar to weigh it down. But man, it's coming along. Thanks for watching. Welcome back to part 2. I just wanted to go over this today. We are using copper nitrate to cement out silver on this titanium cathode. The silver looks good. I just knocked this down less than 5 minutes ago, and the diamonds are already full with cement silver, and you can see here where it has accumulated, where it just sloughs off. So, you know, take a look at that silver there. You can see it's accumulating. I'll probably have to pull out some of this copper through electrolysis to see if it actually affects the transfer mechanism. I'm not sure yet, but it's coming along pretty good. It hasn't really slowed down yet, and I had to fill the basket this morning, so I'm going to knock this off and you guys can see, you know, it's coming along, man. It's a pretty decent experiment. It's you know, something different. Instead of using traditional nitric acid boil and cementing out on silver, we're just doing it all in one container. If I was to do this over again, I would put more holes in the basket and have a little bit more solution. But man, it took a long time to get this to boil down to the right specific gravity. This was more than 2 liters, man. No, 4 or 5 liters that have been boiled down. So that's it. Stay tuned. We'll have another video later today just to see how much is accumulated, but that's it. Thanks for watching.